the TB cloud. On the chart, we're going to notice that there are some vertical lines connecting the TBS and the TBM. Now, these vertical lines with those two indicators is what we are referring to as the TB cloud, or the trend bias cloud. The cloud essentially are these connecting lines in between the two indicators. When the price is above the market, when it's above all the different indicators, specifically the TBS and the TBM, we get lines that connect both the TBS and the TBM. This gives us a clear definition that the market is moving up. When the market is moving down, we have these vertical lines that connect, again, the TBS and the TBM. When everything is bearish, when those two indicators specifically are above the price and the price is moving down, we get the cloud. Now, when the price gets in between the TBS and the TBM, that cloud will dissipate. It will vanish. We get to see the chart. We get to see the price on the chart in between the TBS and the TBM without any lines. When this happens, often we get a sideways or a ranging market that needs to break out. We're going to get the pullback into the cloud, and then oftentimes we get a move back in the trend direction. This becomes useful to us as it's part of a signal. We're going to use these as a trade opportunity. We'll get pullbacks into the cloud and then a move back outside, and then the cloud will resume. So it's a nice opportunity to take a trade. The TB cloud is very easy to see, and we get very clear ideas of the market direction. Now, I'm going to take all the other indicators off of the chart just so we can see the cloud by itself. So here we have the TB cloud. It functions as a single unit. We're going to quite often use components of it. We're going to use the TBS sometimes to place an initial stop loss. And as the cloud starts to form, we're going to switch from the TBS as our initial stop loss to the TBM. The TBM dots are how we're going to trail our stop when the trade progresses. It's a nice little indicator. I like how it looks. It's fairly unique, and it gives us a fair amount of detail. Again, when we got price inside of the cloud, we have a sideways and potentially ranging market. And then from there, the price is going to break out, and often it gives us a trading opportunity.